Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for your Turtlebox Ranger, the Turtlebox Ranger bumpers. These aren't just any bumpers. They're designed to help you personalize and protect your speaker at the same time. If you're someone who loves to mix style with functionality, this product might just be perfect for you. First off, the Turtlebox Ranger bumpers come in over 18 different colors. This means you can match your speaker to your favorite style or even coordinate with your outdoor setup. Whether you want a classic black, something vibrant, or a color that pops, there's an option for everyone. What makes these bumpers really appealing is how easy they're to swap. Thanks to a smart snap-on, snap-off design, you can switch out colors quickly without any tools. It's all about convenience and letting you change the look of your Ranger on the fly, whether you're heading to the beach, a backyard party, or just moving around your home. The bumpers are not just about aesthetics, they offer real protection. Designed specifically for the Turtlebox Ranger, they cushion and shield the edges from everyday knocks and bumps, helping maintain the speaker's pristine condition. They're built from durable plastic that can handle outdoor use while retaining its shape and color. So whether it's a rugged hiking trip or a poolside hangout, these bumpers help your Ranger survive the journey. Installation is straightforward. The bumpers align perfectly with the contours of the Turtlebox Ranger, ensuring full access to all ports and controls. You don't have to worry about interference with buttons, handles, or connectivity. It's a tailored fit, which makes it feel like the bumpers are an original part of the speaker rather than an add-on. The Turtlebox Ranger bumpers are produced by Turtlebox Audio, LLC, a small business dedicated to high-quality outdoor audio accessories. Supporting this product also supports a small business that focuses on creating reliable, stylish, and functional solutions for audio enthusiasts. Overall, if you're looking to protect your Turtlebox Ranger while giving it a fresh look that matches your personality, these bumpers are an excellent choice. They combine customization, protection, and durability in a way that elevates your outdoor audio experience. That's it for today's product critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit subscribe and click the bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming gadget and accessory breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.